I want to show you a quick and easy tool to use that doesn't cost any money, that you can use yourself to find good stocks for yourself. So there's really a lot of ways to invest, but there's three main ones. And there's the growth, there's momentum, and there's value. And this tool you can use for a lot of things, but I'm going to show you the screener part. And the screener is a way you can maybe use to find stocks that fit your style. So first we'll go over the growth. Let's say that's your style and you're looking for the future Teslas and the future Facebooks that you're going to buy cheap now and sell for 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe 100 baggers. You're looking for maybe earnings per share growth. You might be looking for gross margins. You might be looking for how well they can pay their debt. You might be looking at the growth over 5 years. And you're basically going to click this and all the stocks are going to come up. Down below down here just has every stock there is. So let's say growth is your style. That's what you would do. And you'd continue to do the different filters until it really met your criteria for the kind of growth company that you're looking for. Some are going to be more risky than others. Let's say you strictly want to do momentum trading. You want to just find stocks that are on an upswing and take a little piece of that, take your profits. There's nothing wrong with that. You may want to look for this. Anything that's crossing, maybe the 20's crossing the 50, maybe that's what you're looking for on here. Any of these type of things you're going to look for. Maybe you're looking for after hours close. Maybe you're looking for gaps. Maybe there's certain candlestick patterns that you're looking for. They're all on here. Maybe there's certain patterns. These are technical trading patterns that you might know about, after hours, relative strength, stuff like that. Those would be all momentum kind of trading tools. So maybe you're saying, I only want to get dividend stocks and I don't really want to have my money too much at risk. I just want to do compounding and something like that. Maybe you'd look for dividends. Let's say we'll just do one quick. We do dividend over 5%. And let's say you say I'm looking for stocks that are under $15. Maybe beat down one that is of value. And then you're going to continue to look for target pricing. Maybe the target is 10% above. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, follow and like it, and put something in the comments about maybe some stocks you found or maybe stuff you are interested in, and maybe start a conversation in there. Investing is for everyone, and this tool is meant to empower you to make some choices for yourself, and then maybe talk about these things with other people and build a community around it. So I hope you liked the video.